So first one, you have to go to a search browser and you will search for Brilliant Pala. Okay, you just search Brilliant Pala, and the first result itself is showing brilliantpala.org, which is our official website. You can click over there. So this is the home page. Now you have to navigate to the test series page. So there are like couple of ways. So first one is you go to courses and you select test series. You can see that there are like BTS NEET is given, BTS JEE is given, then Dubai BTS, separate test series for Dubai is also shown. Another way is you scroll over here and you can see that there is test series specifically given over here. You can click over there also. We will just click there. Once you are in this page, you can see that there is BTS for NEET. Then there is BTS for JEE Main and JEE Advanced. Then there is a special BTS which is for the students of Dubai. Let's select this one. Okay, once you are in this page, buttons are given. One is the course brochure button. If you click over there, it will take you to the course brochure, which is basically all the details about the course, BTS program, the exam schedules, fees, scholarship, etc. Then there is a course video. If you click over there, we will take you to a YouTube video where we explain about the course in much detail. Then there is a registration video. If you click over there, you will see this video where we explain how to register. Then there is a register option. You click over there and we will take you to a different website where you can create an account and register for the course. Before going to the register, let me show you the course brochure. We will take a few minutes to discuss the course brochure details. Okay, once you have downloaded the brochure, you can see that it's written that the next batch will start on January 22nd. Now, if you are watching this video after January 22nd, please remember that you can still join the course, that the admission will be continuous. You can join the course at any time, even though it's written that the course will start on January 22nd. If you are joining after January 22nd, we will give you access to all the previous examinations, its video solutions, and all the other details will be given to you. It's written over here that it's only for non-brilliant students. Over here there is a picture of Srinand Sharmil, who is All India Rank 1, and he is being awarded 1 crore rupees by Brilliant Pala. Over here you can see that scholarship criteria is given. Now we provide multiple scholarship based on your board marks and NEET score. Now this is for the Kerala state students, and the scholarship based on their 12th marks. Over here you can see this is CBSE and ICSE students scholarship details. Over here you can see the scholarship which is based on NEET score. So if you got NEET score which is higher than 450, you will get this much percentage. It's given over here. Now let's go over here. Now this is the fee structure. Now there are like total 5 categories. You can see that the category 1, which is basically the basic category, which is just online exam, you can get it for 1,500 plus tax. If you want e-learning app, you will have to pay this fees. If you want to write the exam in offline and online, you have to choose this category 3. And if you want our e-learning app with that, you can choose category 4. If you want to get the materials, which is around 29 materials, which the same material which we provide to the repeater batch student, you can choose category 5. Now over here you can see that the entire examination schedule is given. Over here it's written there are like 37 examination, but here it's given that 122 examination is also provided. I will tell you the math behind it. So this first 20 examination, which will be conducted in group 1 and group 2. So there will be like complete different examination, complete different 20 examination. And also a day before each of this examination, you will get a preparatory exam, which is exactly a same in another examination of the same duration, same question number, but a complete different questions. So for this 20 examination, you will get a different 20 preparatory models a day before the scheduled examination. So that's like 20 plus 20 for group 1. Now there is another group like group 2. They will also receive another 40 set of question papers. So that's 40 plus 40, 80 questions. Now from examination 21st onwards, the group 1 and group 2 will merge and all of them will write the examination together. And from 21st to 37 also you will get preparatory models. So that's like double the examinations. That's like 19 plus 19. plus 10 is 10 hard copy question papers which we will send to your home address. So if you calculate all the examinations, you will get access to 122 examination, in which 37 examination will be scheduled for you. We will give you access for those 80 examinations. So that's the total number of examination, 122 examination, which you will receive when you join this program. Now you can see that the topic is given as Unit 7, Unit 8, Unit 1, Unit 3 is given. Now we have also given which all chapters come under Unit 1, Unit 2. So all the details regarding the examinations, the schedule, the syllabus, fees, scholarship, they are all provided in the brochure. So you make sure you read through the entire brochure before joining the program. Okay, enough of that. Let's register. Once you click on register, we will take you to a different website, which is admissions.brilliantpala.org. Now they are asking you for your student ID and password. If you are already a student of Brilliant Pala, you can give in those details. If you have forgotten your student ID, you should call us on our office number. If you forgot the password, you can click forgot password and you can reset it. If you are a new student, you can click over here. They are asking you few details like your name, email ID and password. So let's complete those details. So once you complete those details, you can click create account. Now it's OTP verified. So which means that an OTP will be sent to your mobile number as well as your registered mail ID. Okay, once you have created your account, you have to update your qualification. You can select and you can choose Brilliant Test Series. You can always update it, which means you can always choose between all these qualification, which will directly give you access to those courses. For example, if you select repeater program / crash program, you will get access to repeaters and crash program. If you select BTS, which is Brilliant Test Series as your qualification, you will get access to Brilliant Test Series courses, which are like BTS for JEE, BTS for NEET and BTS for Dubai. So we will click save. Now it's showing all the available courses for me, which is BTS NEET 2025, Dubai, and another Dubai program is also there. Then there is a JEE Main program. So if you are an engineering student, you should select this one. If you are a student from Dubai and if you want to write offline exam in Dubai, you should select either of these. If you are a student who wants to attend NEET BTS, you can select this one. We will click enroll now. Okay, now they are asking me for two information. One is select center, and these are like the 5 categories which I already showed. If you want online and offline exam, you can choose that. If you want online exam only, you can choose that, which we already discussed while going through the brochures. These are the 5 categories. I will select online exam only, and my preferred batch is December. I can select request for registration. It's asking me one question: how did you know about this course? You can select option. So there are like multiple options like Google, social media, print media, newspapers, friends and relatives. So if you are a student who came to know about this program from your friends and relatives, you can choose that. You can choose any of this program. I'm just going to select Google and I'm going to select confirm. Now once you are in this page, it's asking for 2 details. One is primary details and higher secondary details. And if you have written a previous entrance examination, the details for that. Now this primary detail is nothing but your 10th board exam details. This is nothing but your 12th board exam details. And this is your previous entrance exam NEET score details. I will just quickly fill all these details. It's asking for the 12th board exam details. So I will just select CBSE. And the year of passing, for example, if I am writing the NEET exam in this year, it will be 2025. And the result status will be waiting for result. But if I have written the examination in 2024 or any year before that, I can select that. I can click past. I can give the details such as. Now it's asking me to upload my mark list. I will click over here. Once you have done that, you can click next. Now it's asking me to confirm the request, which is basically all the details which I just filled in, like my 10th details and 12th details. My mark list is also given. I can go through these details, and if it's correct, I can click confirm request. Now it's asking me to update profile and then remit the fees. I will click OK. Okay, once you are in this page, now you have to fill these details like personal details, educational details, contact details, and then you will be taken to the course payment. So it's like a 4-step procedures. Now if in between you, say for example you logged out in between. Okay, say in between if you logged out before completing that procedure, you can always click over here and select my profile, and it will again take you to the complete profile page. You can again complete it from here. So few details they are asking like gender, category, father's name, all those details, father's occupation, mother's occupation, blood group, the stream in which I am studying. Okay, once you have filled all those details, you can always click next. It's asking me to upload a profile photo. So I can go over here and there is an edit option over here. I click over there, click agree, upload an image. Okay, I have uploaded a dummy photo. Make sure you upload your actual passport size photo. We can click next. Now it's asking for educational details such as name of the school I last studied, address of the school, the country in which the school is situated, and if I have done any previous coaching, the name of that previous coaching institute. Once you have done that, you can click next. Now it's asking for the contact details. So enter communication contact details such as which will be used for postal communication and delivery of the study materials. So you make sure you fill it correctly. Once you fill those details, you can click finish. So profile details are updated. Now the only remaining step is to pay your fees. For that, what you have to do is you can click over here and go to my courses. You can click over registered course. So here you can see that I have registered for the NEET test series and there is an option for fee payment. Over here they have given the total fees. There is an option to make payment over here. I can choose online method and I can also choose offline method. If I choose offline method, there is an option to download the challan. Now the challan will be downloaded, which is basically a PDF. You have to take a print of the PDF and you can show it to any bank. If you are showing it to South Indian Bank, it will be processed very quickly, or you can take it to any bank and they will pay the fees on behalf of you. But remember that if you make fee payment in offline mode, it will take us another 24 hours so that the fee will be reflected in your account. Or you can choose to pay it through online. So once you click I agree, it's directly taking you to the fee payment details. So over here you can see that the UPI option is there, such as Google Pay, PhonePe, Paytm, card payment, net banking, and paying through your wallet is also provided. So you can choose any of these options and make the fee payment. And remember that once you make the fee payment in online mode, it will be directly reflected in your account right away without any delay, if it is successful. If in case once you make the fee payment, the amount is debited from your account and it's not showing in your profile, you can always contact us on this provided number and we will help you. So thank you for watching this video. We hope that this video will help you for your registration process.
Brilliant Study Center, India's #1 coaching center for NEET and JEE.